Looking for a tidier fridge? The LAMU 2-pack Soda Can Dispenser could be your answer. This handy set brings order to chaotic can piles. It includes 2 sizes of metal rods. This means it fits both standard and taller cans. Imagine your fridge, but with cans neatly lined up. No more cans rolling around. Each dispenser holds a good number of cans. This clears up valuable shelf space. Furthermore, the metal rods are a smart upgrade. They keep cans stable and ready. This dispenser makes grabbing a cold drink easy. It's like having a tiny vending machine in your fridge. I found the setup straightforward. It requires no complex assembly. You simply place the rods. Then you load your cans. It feels sturdy, not flimsy. The design is practical. It makes retrieving cans simple. When you pull one, the next slides down. This is thanks to gravity. It's surprisingly efficient. Also, the size is just right. It fits well in most refrigerators. You won't struggle to find space. This dispenser truly organizes your drinks. It transforms a jumbled mess. Suddenly, everything has its place. This product genuinely simplifies drink storage. It's a small change with a big impact. Ultimately, the LAMU 2-pack Soda Can Dispenser is a worthwhile purchase. It solves a common problem. It makes your fridge look neater. It also saves you effort. No more digging for cans. In addition, it's durable. It seems built to last. The dual rod sizes are a clever touch. This versatility is a big plus. It handles all your canned drinks. Therefore, I highly recommend this dispenser. If you want a more organized fridge, consider this. It's a simple, effective solution. The LAMU 2-pack Soda Can Dispenser delivers on its promise. Pros: easy to assemble, comes with 3 rods for different can sizes. Sturdy and no wobbling. Added rubber padding. Reduces noise. Fits well in Samsung French door fridge. High quality and durable materials. Keeps drinks secure and within reach. Sleek design. Lightweight and easy to clean. Holds up to 9 to 10 cans per organizer. Accommodates standard and tall cans. Vertical design saves space. Includes replacement metal rods. Great value for money. Helps organize cans. Cons: base tends to slide around. Limited capacity. Plastic may not be sturdy. May not fit all fridge shelves. Requires excessive space to load. Features: 2-pack for more storage. Fridge Soda Can Organizer. Dispenses cans easily. Upgraded design. Includes 2 metal rod sizes. Fits standard cans. Fits tall cans. Keeps drinks organized. Pop can holder. Storage solution for fridge. The LAMU 2-pack Soda Can Organizer is a handy way to keep your drinks neat in the fridge. It comes with 2 organizers, so you get extra storage. This upgraded dispenser makes it easy to grab a can. And it even includes 2 different sizes of metal rods to fit both standard and taller cans. It's a simple storage solution to keep your pop organized. This LAMU 2-pack Soda Can Organizer is a great way to keep your fridge tidy. It comes with 3 metal rods to hold both standard and tall cans. And each organizer can fit 9 to 10 cans. It's easy to put together and won't wobble, thanks to its sturdy design and rubber padding that also helps reduce noise. While it's lightweight, durable, and easy to clean, and its vertical design saves space. Some users found the base can slide. It has a limited capacity, and it might not fit all fridge shelves. Also, loading cans can require a bit of extra space.